Hi, this is Bill Wieringa, estate planning and elder law attorney servicing Southwest Michigan with offices right here in beautiful Portage, Michigan. I'm often asked about how to divide household items that are left to beneficiaries in an estate. I'll hear questions like, Bill, I want to divide everything equally among my 3 children. How do I do that fairly? Well, it's pretty easy to divide liquid assets and to title real property in ways that are equal, but when it comes to tangible personal items, that gets a little bit tougher. First, I'll always ask my clients to leave a list of items that they want to go to specific people. This is outside of the will and of the trust, and it's referenced, however, in the will and in the trust. So that's used to designate these particular items you want to make sure that go to specific people. Like heirlooms, for instance. Grandma's china goes to my oldest daughter. My diamond ring to my oldest son. I think that ought to be passed down in the family. Or my bass boat to my fishing buddy Roy. Now, there are always going to be things that have to be divided between a group of people, but you don't really care who gets them. They're not heirlooms. Things like clothes and furniture, and maybe jewelry or art. Things of that nature. So folks will wonder then, well, how do I do that equitably? Well, there are a few popular methods that seem to resonate most with people, and I'm going to describe just 3 of them for you. The first one is just let the personal representative decide what's fair and what a fair distribution is, who's going to get what. Well, when I suggest that, people will say, well, that's nice, but I don't want my kids fighting among each other thinking that their brother, the personal representative, is being unfair. Okay, so how about method number 2? Just sell everything and divide the proceeds equally. You guessed it though, when I say that, they'll say something like, well, yeah, but suppose they want some of that stuff. Okay, how about number 3? Draw lots and determine an order in which each of your beneficiaries pick an item in turn. And then when all the items are selected, you're done. Or if there's items left over that nobody wants, then they just sell the rest and divide up those proceeds of the estate sale equally among the beneficiaries. You see, the point here is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's just you need to devise a system that seems fair to you. And then also describe that in your will or in your trust. Now, if you have any questions about estate planning, elder law, Medicaid planning, or senior benefits, give me a call. We can set up a free, no obligation consultation so you can get your questions answered, because you see, I don't charge for advice and I don't try to sell you products.